Finding the right wheelchair ramp sounds simple until you try shopping for one. Some are too bulky, some slide around, and others just feel like they weren't made for you. In this video, I'm going through 6 of the best wheelchair ramps. So whether you're looking for something portable or the best of the best, I'll have something for you. You'll find links to the best prices for all the wheelchair ramps mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these ramps aren't ranked in any exact order, so be sure to watch till the end to find the one that fits your needs best. Number 6 is the Betterment rubber threshold ramp. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're just looking for something simple and reliable to help roll over a small step or threshold without spending a ton, this one's worth a look. It's made from solid natural rubber. You might notice a bit of a rubber smell at first, but that goes away after a couple of days. What you get in return is a sturdy ramp that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. That means wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, anything. It's tough and built to last. Its surface has deep grooves that help with traction, so if it's raining or you're using it indoors on slick floors, it gives you a safe grip. It's 2 inches high and about 43 inches wide, so it works for most standard doorways. And if your doorway is a bit smaller or oddly shaped, you can actually cut it down to size. Just trim it to fit, and you're good. Also, you don't need to drill anything or do a full install. Just set it down where you need it. It's heavy enough to stay put, but still easy to move if you're using it somewhere temporarily, like for a shed or driveway. One user wrote, "Good quality and a nice, heavy weight. Purchased to help a family member get his wheelchair over the front door threshold. When it arrived, I realized it would work on the inside the house as well. I purchased a second one, and it was the first time he could get the wheelchair up the ramp and over the threshold by himself. I would highly recommend the product." So if you're after a budget ramp that does its job quietly and well, the Betterment rubber threshold ramp makes total sense. Number 5 is the VNN portable wheelchair ramp. This is the most portable option on our list. If you need a ramp that can travel with you, folds up fast, and fits in the trunk, you need to check out this one. It's a 4-foot aluminum ramp made for steps between 4 to 12 inches high. It's lightweight, but still strong enough to hold up to 600 pounds. Whether it's a wheelchair, scooter, or even a cart, this thing can handle it. Now, what I like is how easy it is to carry. It folds in half and has a sturdy handle, so you're not wrestling with a big, awkward chunk of metal. The handle is upgraded to avoid hand scratches, which is a nice touch. On the safety side, it's solid. The surface has grooves and a non-slip layer, so there's double traction, even in rainy or dusty conditions. There are also baffles on the sides and little reflective stickers to help you spot it in low light. And they've even added stainless steel hinges to prevent rust, plus transition plates at the top and bottom, so it lies flat against the ground. You can use it at home, in the garage, or even to get in and out of a vehicle. It also comes with screws if you want to mount it permanently to wood. For something that's easy to move and still gets the job done safely, the VNN ramp is a practical pick. Number 4 is the Easy Access Suitcase Single Fold. This is the best suitcase design on our list. If you've ever had to lug heavy stuff up a step or get a wheelchair in and out of a vehicle, this ramp just makes life easier. It's a 6-foot portable ramp that folds in half like a suitcase. That makes it easy to store or toss in the back of a car or van. The handles are flexible and won't snap off, even if you're rough with them. You just pull 2 hinge pins and it splits into 2 lightweight sections you can carry around without breaking your back. Safety-wise, the surface is textured, so it's not slippery, even in the rain. Plus, the bottom has these self-adjusting plates that help it sit flush. Whether you're rolling up onto a curb or into the back of a pickup, it's solid too and can hold up to 800 pounds. So whether it's a wheelchair, a crate full of gear, or something heavy during a move, this thing handles it. Overall, if you want something strong, safe, and easy to fold and carry, this one checks all the boxes. And if you want to know the latest prices for the wheelchair ramps discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. Number 3 is the Modular Adjustable. This is the best telescoping design on our list. Looking for a ramp that gives you flexibility without the hassle of a permanent setup, this is the one you might need. It's a 2-pack of aluminum ramps that can telescope anywhere from 4 to 7 feet. So whether you're dealing with a single step or a higher porch, you can adjust the length to to fit the situation. Each ramp is just over 7 inches wide on the outside with 6 inches of usable width, which is enough for most manual wheelchairs. Just a heads up though, it's not made for power chairs or scooters. Now, I like how lightweight these are, about 20 pounds total, so they're easy to carry. And they come with a storage bag so you can throw them in your trunk or closet without any drama. The setup's also quick, just press the button lock and slide them out without needing any tools. In terms of safety, there's a triple anti-slip system going on. The surface is textured for grip, and there are pads on both the top and bottom to help keep things steady on smooth ground. It's also rust-proof and waterproof, which helps if you're using it outside. It can hold up to 600 pounds, so it's solid. And right now it's going for around $170 for the full set, unless you find a discount. But honestly, for the adjustability and convenience, it's a pretty fair price. Number 2 is the easy-to-access transitions. This is the best modular design on our list. What makes this one stand out is how simple and flexible it is. It's built for those small but annoying threshold bumps, like the edge of a doorway, a sliding glass track, or a step into the garage. You don't need to bolt it down or mess with any tools. Just place it where you need it, and you're good. It's made from solid aluminum, so it's both strong and lightweight. That means no rust, no corrosion, and way less hassle moving it around. Plus, the surface has grooves built in for grip, so you're not sliding around, even when it's wet. The height is also adjustable, which is a nice touch. It comes in different sizes, and there's a little pivoting flap that gives you about a 1/4 inch of extra play, making it easier to line up with odd thresholds up to 6.25 inches high. If you need it shorter, you can remove sections and adjust it down to size. It's mainly for wheelchairs, walkers, scooters, or even just if you're rolling something heavy over a step. The whole thing is self-supporting too, so no extra setup is involved. As for the price, it depends on the size you pick, but it usually starts around $60 and goes up from there. Not bad at all for something this sturdy and low maintenance. Number 1 is the Modular non-skid aluminum folding ramps. This is the best overall option on our list if you're dealing with stairs, doorways, or raised entryways and you need something sturdy, wide, and safe. This one checks all the boxes. It's 10 feet long when opened up and can support up to 800 pounds. That's solid enough for manual or electric wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, or even a heavy dolly if you're moving stuff. It's wide too, with 29 inches across, which gives you a lot more breathing room compared to those narrow ramps that always feel a bit sketchy. When you're done, it folds down to 5 feet in length and just over 14 inches wide, so you can carry it or store it in a car without too much effort. The surface has a grippy non-skid layer, and underneath, there's an anti-slip mat to keep the ramp from sliding around. They even added side baffles and reflective strips, which is smart for darker spots and helps you see the edges and avoid rolling off. Now, the height range is flexible. It works best for steps between 10 and 30 inches high, so it's not locked into one setup. As for the price, it usually lands around $270, but I've seen it dip a little during sales. For the size and safety features, it feels like a fair deal, especially if you want one ramp that can pretty much do it all. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect wheelchair ramp. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each ramp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.